Welcome student. Today's class we will learn and already discuss relation between I and V in studying previous study Ohm's law, I, current and V, potential difference. Students, Ohm's law, Sir George Simon's Ohm. In this relationship, this law is known as Ohm's law. Physical conditions remain unchanged. It means constant temperature and pressure of any conductor. The potential difference, the current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the end. It means V is proportional to I and V equal to I into R. Students, what are R? R stand for resistance, already told. Resistance. Resistance is the property of conductor due to which it opposes the flow of current through the conductor. Resistance from this above formula, R equal to V upon I, and that's volt per ampere, that is V volt per ampere, that is also ohm and represented by a symbol ohm, OHM. Students, next we will earlier classes we will study next graph between V and I. Since already noticed V is proportional to I, it means the graph between current and voltage always remain constant. Potential difference PD and current, that's a constant quantity, constant students, the graph straight line, it means B proportional to I, and factor students resistance depends on what factors. The resistance of the conductor depends. We have already completed students. R is proportional to L. R is inversely proportional to 1 upon A. Students, that's after R is, both mixing R is proportional to L upon A and R equal to rho L upon A. And students, what is L? L is the length of the conductor and A stands for cross-sectional area of the conductor. It means resistance of conductor is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area. Students, now students, mixing both are proportional to L upon A, R equal to rho L upon A. Here is rho, resistivity. Resistivity. What is resistivity? I have already told resistivity of given material is defined as the measure offered by the cube of the material of one side, length 1 meter, and the current flowing through the perpendicular to the opposite faces. Students, if length of conductor is 1 meter, cross sectional area 1 meter square, it means that one and that one are equal to rho. Resistivity of a conductor rho, that is equal to the resistance of a such conductors which length 1 meter and cross sectional area is 1 square meter. Now students, unit ohm meter, resistivity unit of already discussed, unit of rho, that is equal to ohm meter. Now students, we have studied METRE. Classification. Today we will learn, students, classification of material on the basis of resistivity. Students, today we will learn classification of materials on the basis of resistivity. On the basis of resistivity. Students, we have already noticed substance having low resistivity are good conductor, and they allow to electric current flow through them. Any good on the basis of material, the resistivity, the substance are three types: good conductor, good conductors, students, resistors, and third, insulator. Students, I will already I completed students, good conductor, resistors and insulator. These are the three measures classification of material. Students, resistance, that is property of conductor which opposes the flow of current. It means करंट के फ्लो में, धारा के मार्ग में जो रेजिस्टेंस, जो अवरोध, जो बाधाएं उत्पन्न होती हैं, दैट्स स्टूडेंट्स resistance. And that students, good conductor, in the case of good conductor, substance having low resistivity are good conductor. Substance having low resistivity substance having low resistivity that is students, good conductors are those substances having low resistivity, and they are good conductor. They allow electric current to flow through them, and the metal have very low resistivity. The metal have very low resistivity range, 10 to the power minus 8 ohm. 10 to the power minus, the range is 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Students, metal like aluminium and copper that are very good conductor of electricity, and so it is used for transmission of electricity due to this property. On other hand, resistors, these substances having moderate these substances having moderate resistivity, since they offering a significant resistance on the flowing of electric current, and it produce heat. Using this property, students, like the metal nichrome, most of the appliances like electric, iron, heater, geyser, etc., as they do not easily oxidize at high temperature and change in resistivity with the temperature is low. Students, in electric bulb, tungsten used for filament in electric bulb because its melting point is very high. It means the resistivity is moderate. The range 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Moderate, it means ना बहुत अधिक या नहीं कम. Students, this is a very significant use of this property. Now third one, insulator. Insulator, it means, students, in Hindi कुचालक या अचालक. Students, it is clear. कुचालक means, it means that's not easy passes of electricity, the substance which is not easily allowed electricity to passes through it, that is insulator. Insulators, students, very high resistivity, very high resistivity, very high resistivity, students, and negligible conductivity is negligible, that is called insulator. Insulators, the resistivity in the order of 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power 16 ohm meter. Students, substance like rubber and other insulator are generally used from protecting ourselves with electric shock. Students, that's insulator like rubber gloves are used. Insulator, it means very high resistivity and negligible conductivity. Now students, next topics. Our next topic is, students, combination of resistance. Students, combination of resistance. In this topic, we will learn how to utilize the resistance. Students, in electrical circuit, sometimes we require less current and sometimes we require high current or more current. That's depend on the property of combination of resistances. These are two types: series combination and second one is, students, parallel combination. In series combination, if three resistances, the formula will be R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, and in parallel combination, that's formula 1 upon R, that's equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, and that is 1 upon R3. We will prove this formula in next class, but we have studied, students, in the case of current required less, the total resistance is greater, and for this resistance are connected in series. And students, for more current, the resistance has to decrease, and hence individual resistance can be connected in parallel. Students, resistance in series, when individual resistance are connected end-to-end connectivity, R1, R2, R3. Students, that's series combination. Students, in series combination, resistance in the current flowing through the resistance is same. and total voltage across the combination is equal to the sum of the voltage drops across the individual resistances. And third one, the total resistance of the combination is equal to the sum of the individual resistances. It means R equal to sum of the individual अलग अलग रेजिस्टेंस के सम के R2 plus R3 plus R4 at infinite. On the other hand, students, in the case of parallel combination, when individual resistance are combined between the same 2 points, it means 2 points, that's points 1, P and Q. Individual resistance combined. That's R1, R2 and R3. Students, these individual resistance combined between 2 points. In the parallel combination resistance, the voltage across the resistor is same. Voltage across the resistor is same as voltage across the whole combination. Second one, the current through different resistances will be different, and the total current is the sum of the current through the different resistances. And third important point, students, the sum of reciprocal of the separate resistance equal to the reciprocal of the equivalent resistances. Students, today's our class is over. We will meet next class, and your homeworks will be complete your fairs and prepare. We will meet in next class with heating effect of currents and Joule's law and some mathematical concepts and numerical problems. That's okay.